Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix your PlayStation 5 headphone jack. First, let's start with some basic troubleshooting. Begin by ensuring your headphones are fully and securely plugged into the 3.5mm audio jack on your DualSense controller. Sometimes, a loose connection is the simplest culprit. Next, test your headphones with another device, like a phone or computer, to confirm they are working properly and not the source of the issue. Finally, navigate to your PlayStation 5 sound settings to confirm the audio output is correctly set to headphones and not TV or soundbar. If the initial checks don't resolve the problem, let's move on to software-related solutions. A simple console restart can often clear minor glitches, so power down your PlayStation 5 completely and then turn it back on. It's also crucial to ensure your DualSense controller's firmware is up to date. Connect it to your console via USB and check for updates in the accessories menu. If issues persist, try resetting your controller by pressing the small button on its back with a paperclip for 5 seconds. Now, let's delve into a physical inspection of the headphone jack itself. Carefully examine the 3.5mm port on your DualSense controller for any visible signs of debris, dust, or even bent pins. Sometimes, lint or small particles can obstruct the connection. Use a can of compressed air to gently blow out any foreign material. Be very careful not to insert anything sharp or metallic into the jack, as this could cause irreversible damage to the internal contacts. If you've tried all the previous steps and the headphone jack is still not working, it's time for some advanced considerations. If you have access to another DualSense controller, try connecting your headphones to it to determine if the problem lies with the controller or the headphones. If the issue persists across multiple controllers, it might indicate a deeper console-related problem. At this point, professional repair or contacting PlayStation support for warranty service options would be your best course of action.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.